Thanks, Rick, for having me. Now we're in Hollywood, the film capital of the world, and we're here and we're going to ask some people some mathematical monument problems.
Take me on a trip, I'd like to go someday. Take me to New York, I'd love to see LA. I really want to come pick you with you. You'll be my American boy.
Let's search the crowd and find our lucky contestant. What about this fine gentleman here? Would you like to answer a math problem?
Sure.
All right, you're gonna have to find out how tall the Chinese theater is. So we're about 15 feet away from the Chinese theater. Now we're gonna have him look up and find the angle that he's looking up so he can help solve this math problem. All right, so he's gonna find the angle measure. What's the angle measure of looking up?
81.
It's 81 degrees. So we made him move closer, and the angle he found was 87. Can you find out how tall this building is?
We're going to solve for x first, so we're going to split this big triangle into two, one with an angle of 81 and an adjacent of 10 plus x and an opposite of h, and another with an angle of 87 with an adjacent of x and an opposite of h. Since we're going to need adjacent and opposite only, we're going to use the tangent function, and we're going to get tan of 81 equals h over 10 plus x, and tan of 87 equals h over x. We're going to cross multiply so that they both equal h, and since they both equal each other, we're going to make them equal each other in an equation sense. From there, we're going to distribute the tan and the x into tangent of 81, and we're going to get 10 tan of 81 plus x tan of 81 equals tan of 87 times x. We're going to subtract x tan of 81 on both sides so that we isolate 10 tan of 81, and we're going to get 10 tan of 81 equals x tan of 87 minus x tan of 81. Since we see x is factorable, we're going to factor out x, and we're going to have 10 tan of 81 equals x times tangent of 87 minus tangent of 81. To isolate the x, we're going to divide tangent of 87 minus tangent of 81 on both sides, and we're going to get from there x is going to equal 10 tan of 81 over 10 of 87 minus tangent of 81. Enter that into a calculator, and you're going to get x equals 4.95, but we're not done there yet because we still need to find the height. So we're going to substitute this x into tangent of 81 equals h over 10 plus x. Since x is 4.95, it's going to be 10 plus 4.95, and we're going to get tangent of 81 equals h over 14.95. We're going to cross multiply so that h equals tangent of 81 times 14.95. Enter that into a calculator, and you're going to get h equals 94.3906 feet.
And we're back with our successful math trivia contestant at Precalculus Cage's house. Because he solved this correctly, he's going to be challenged against Precalculus Cage. This problem should be simple.
Oh, gee. I don't know how to do that one.
To find the 6 trig functions, you're going to have to identify the hypotenuse, opposite, and adjacent. Once you identify those, you're going to find sine. Sine is going to be opposite over hypotenuse, but you have to rationalize it, so it becomes 9 radical 113 over 113. You're going to do the same thing with cosine, although it is adjacent over hypotenuse. Then you're going to do the same thing with tangent, which you don't need to rationalize, but it's opposite over adjacent. And then using the cosecant, secant, and cotangent, though you're going to be the opposite of sine, cosine, and tangent, so it's virtually the same thing, just the reciprocal.
And that's how you solve this trig problem.
3.